Hey, this is Michael with GuruFire, and in this video, we're going to continue from our previous videos and show how to add lesson structure, outline, and start to add some course content. So here I'm on the profile page of my school. Or on my personal profile, I'm gonna drill into the school dashboard, and from here, here's my courses. I can go into here. And then from this page at the bottom, below our pricing options we created in the last video, is a section for a lesson outline. So I'm going to go ahead and start to add a lesson outline. So I can add as many lessons as I want, hitting the plus button. It scrolls down, and then I can edit these items. All right, so I got a start of an outline. And now another thing we can do is we can add checklists to each of these. So I'm going to just do it for one of these. You right click on the little dot menu and pick the checklist button. Oh, I need to first save the outline. Sorry about that. Save that. Okay, it's saved. Now I can edit a checklist. This title. I'm going to add a little bit bigger description for it. And then I'm going to add 3 items to my checklist. So there's item 1. There's an add list button at the bottom. I'm going to add 2 more. Save that. So that one now has a checklist. We'll see where that comes into play in a few minutes here. First thing I want to do is we want to create a page. First, let me save that outline. Let's create a page for the course. Script introduction. Now there is a page, and we can go design that page. It comes with a pre-built layout, and there's some design tools at the top, some content here. We'll see it actually has the course outline in it already, the lesson outline. We'll flesh that out shortly. And then we can go into each lesson, and we can create a page for that. The first time you do it, it'll ask you what do you want to call the page. Then here we can update the banner section. We can upload a photo for it if you want. You can also just delete this section if you don't want a banner at the top. And then there's an overview. We can add it here, and it comes with our checklist on the right already. So we edited it on the other page, and this is a widget we can put here. And you can actually drag these around, and you could change the order of things however you want to do it. If you hit the pencil button above an item, then the menu things at the top are about that widget. So in this case, I've got a video with some text to the side. For a video, you could just click edit here, and you can upload a link to a video either on vimeo.com or on YouTube. You could just copy the link to the video and paste it in, and then it'll be the lesson content for this page. All right, and then I'm going to save my whatever change I made to the page. And there's a lot of other things you could do. We'll cover in some other videos, but you can change color palettes. You can change all the text on the page. You can rearrange widgets. There's all these other widgets at the top, or also called blocks. You could drag these onto the page and configure all of them in different ways, and you could see some of that in other videos. Now you can preview that page. So here's the start of that page. Every course page and lesson page comes with a left navigation at the top that has a link directly to that course overview page. And every lesson will be on this lesson widget. You can get rid of the lesson widget, or you can keep it on the page, up to you. And the ones that have a lesson already will have this view button that take you directly there. But you can also just get to them from the menu. So it's fully built-in navigation to your course content. You can lay out the lessons however you want. So let me close that. I'm going to go back here. All right, so now I've got a lesson outline. I'm going to continue to add more lessons of this later to flesh it out for my school and my students. But that's the start of how you do it. And when somebody comes in here and enrolls in the class, they'll see the lessons and be able to follow through the lessons and track their enrollment.